legislature to be able to tell their story if that's what they want. Why deny them that? Because Democrats say every woman must be believed.
Yeah.
It's 5:44 on WMAL.
1877 Cars for Kids. KARS Cars for Kids. 1877 Cars for Kids. Donate your car today. 1877 Cars for Kids. KARS Cars for Kids. 1877 Cars for Kids. Donate your car today.
To learn more about our programs and to donate, visit us online at carsforkids.com. Remember, that's Cars with a K. Pickup is quick and easy. You'll also get a vacation voucher and maximum tax deduction.
1877 Cars for Kids. KARS Cars for Kids. 1877 Cars for Kids. Donate your car today.
Also accepting boats, motorcycles, RVs, and real estate donations.
My name is Amy, and when I was diagnosed with MS, my biggest fear was its impact on my family. Thankfully, new treatments are progressing faster than my condition, like when researchers discovered a leukemia treatment that could also help my MS. Making medicine more affordable is important, but if Washington isn't careful, it could lead to policies that threaten innovation. So let's fix the system the right way. We owe that to the next generation. Find out more about the fight for innovation at voteforcures.com.
It's 5:45. It's time for WMAL traffic and weather. It's every 10 minutes. It's first on the 5. Here's Lisa Bailey in the deep front page traffic center.
We'll start with road work, slowing us down out of Chevrolet into Northeast. Kenilworth Avenue, South and Eastern Avenue. The work zone is in the right side, and there is a delay on the BW Parkway and on 50. Route 100, Ellicott City westbound at the Snow River Parkway, a deer ran out in the highway. Looks like authorities are on the scene. No real delay, just a heads up. And 95.